At the bottom of your home page, tap on the More button on the bottom right and head to the Users section. From here, you can view current user codes that exist on the system. Clicking on a current user will give you all the info for that user, their code, if it's permanent or if it's temporary, and what access they have with said code. On the bottom right, there is an Add button. If we click that, we can add a new user to the system. After adding the new user, click on their profile. Now that we are on the profile, I'm going to go through here and change the user to be able to have access to all the panels associated with the system, but restrict them to a scheduled time. Let's say Monday to Wednesday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. First, we're going to go to the Panels section and enable both panels. They have access to all the locks already, so we will not need to fix that. Next, to create a schedule. Alright, that's all set up. Now, click Save.